Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am explain about bar graph in the chapter statistics. A bar graph can be defined as a chart or a graphical representation of data, quantities or numbers using bars or strips. Bar graphs are used to compare and contrast numbers, frequencies, or other measures of distinct categories of data. A bar chart or bar graph is a chart or graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. A bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. A vertical bar is sometimes called column chart. Now we learn how to draw a bar graph. Step 1. Draw two lines which are perpendicular each other. One of them is horizontal and the other is vertical. Step 2. A suitable title is given. The lines are labeled. Step 3. A suitable scale is chosen. The scale used is stated on the graph. Step 4. Let the vertical line starts from 0. The values of information are marked at equal distances in some increments. Step 5. For each information, vertical bars are drawn on the horizontal line. They are labeled by respective information. This graph is called as vertical graph. The corresponding horizontal bar graph is shown here. Now I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 5.3. Read the given bar graph which shows the percentage of marks obtained by Brinda in different subjects is in an assessment test. In language, 60 marks. In English, 60 marks. In mathematics, 80 marks. Science, 65 marks. Social science, 70 marks. Observe the bar graph and answer the following questions. Question number 1. 1 unit of dash percent of marks on vertical line. 1 unit equal to 10% of marks. Question number 2. Brinda has scored maximum marks in dash subject, mathematics. Question number 3. Brinda has scored minimum marks in dash subject, language. Only Brinda has scored 50 marks in language. Question number 4. The percentage of marks scored by Brinda in science is dash, 65 marks. Question number 5. Brinda scored 60% marks in the subject dash. Brinda scored 60% marks in the subject English. Question number 6. Brinda scored 20% more in dash subject than dash subject. Brinda scored 20% more in mathematics than English. Question number 2. Chitra has to buy laddus in order to distribute to her friends as follows. In this tabular column, classes and number of laddus are tabulated. 6th standard 70 laddus, 7th standard 60 laddus, 8th standard 45 laddus, 9th standard 80 laddus, 10th standard 55 laddus. Using this information, now we draw a bar graph for this data. Distribution of laddus by Chitra to her friends. For this bar graph, scale 1 unit equal to 10 laddus. So in vertical line, number of laddus in this vertical line. Classes in horizontal line. In this figure, the bar graph is shown here. Question number 3. The fruits liked by the students of a class are as follows. Fruits and number of students are tabulated here. Using this information, we draw a bar graph. Scale of this bar graph is 1 unit equal to 2 fruits. Fruits, name of the fruits in horizontal line, number of students in vertical line. The bar graph is drawn here. Question number 4. A pictograph below gives the number of absentees on different days of the week in class 6. Draw the bar graph for the same. Day and number of absentees are tabulated here. One image represents 4 students, half image represents 2 students. In Monday, 4 students, number of absentees are 4. In Tuesday, 2 students. In Wednesday, 6 students. In Thursday, 8 students. Friday, there is no absentees. Saturday, 14 students. Number of absentees equal to 14. Number of absentees on different days of the week in a class is shown in the bar graph. Scale of this graph, 1 unit equal to 2 students. Number of students in vertical line and days in horizontal line. Bar graph is shown here. Question number 5. A bar graph cannot be drawn using dash. Option A, horizontal bars only. Option B, vertical bars only. Option C, both horizontal bars and vertical bars. Option D, either horizontal bars or vertical bars. Answer, option C, both horizontal bars and vertical bars. Question number 6. The spaces between any two bars in a bar graph. Dash. Option A can be different. Option B or the same. Option C or not the same. Option D, all of these. Answer is option B or the same. Students, I hope you understood about bar graph and the sums given in exercise 5.3. Thank you.